Forgotten in the mire, pink wolves heed the call. Orange steeds of pink, rolling through the haze. Men and metal sink in battle's crimson blaze. Pink wolves charge ahead, in the night they thunder. Tales of what they did makes the ground shake under. Engines roar so loud, from valleys to the hills. Never lost nor cowed, glorious in their wills. Brothers in iron hearts, from valleys to the hills. Never lost nor cowed, glorious in their wills. Brothers in iron hearts, in pink they ride so bold. From the battle starts, their song turns to gold. Pink wolves charge ahead, in the night they thunder. Tales of what they did makes the ground shake under. Engines roar so loud, from valleys to the hills. Never lost nor cowed, glorious in their wills. Through the smoke and the fire, they press, they attack. With pink armored vehicles, there's no turning back. On the battlefield's edge where the brave dare to stand, the pink wolves charge forward, a fierce fighting band. In the heart of the storm they roar and they drive, a cracker and no unit fears and perhaps survive. With pink steel and power, they run the night. The pink wolves on the prowl, a fearsome sight. On the beasts in the fray, they never miss. The rolling thunder and wheels, sealing fate with a kiss. In the chaos of battle, they call their name, leaving echoes of terror, fearsome fame. With engines roaring loud in a flash, they appear. Pink wolves on the prowl, fearsome sight. On the beasts in the fray, they never miss. The rolling thunder and wheels, sealing fate with a kiss. In the chaos of battle, they call their name, leaving echoes of terror, the fearsome fame. With engines roaring loud in a flash, they appear. Pink wolves on the prowl, fearsome fame. Through the dead of the night under moon's pale glow, the pink wolves emerge, their legend grows. In whispers they speak of the wolves and their might, and on the pink fury they own the fight. So heed the tale of the pink wolves' reign. In their armored chariots they know no pain. Like the royal and the charge they dominate the field. In the legend of battle the fate is sealed. With pink steel and power they run the night. The pink wolves on the prowl, fearsome sight. On the beasts in the fray they never miss. The rolling thunder and wheels, sealing fate with a kiss. So heed the tale of
No!